All clean. Alrighty. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Byron. I make baits and I also living out of my truck part-time. But you guys read the title right. I'm going to be living on the road for the next 2 weeks. Completely solo, out of my truck. My truck bed is all built out, ready to go. So I'm all packed up. Without further ado, all there left is to do is to start driving. Well, you guys might be asking yourself, how is this 16-year-old kid gonna be doing school and just other teenage stuff? I'm online schooled, so that's a school problem. And you also might be asking yourself, what in the world are your parents thinking on just letting you live out of your truck for living on the road? Well, let's just say they're very supportive of me, and I would like to think I'm more mature than the average 16-year-old, so there's your answer. Yeah, it's just I'm mature and I know not to do stupid stuff, and I trust your gut when you're out doing stuff like this. I get there's sketchy people in this world, but I can usually feel them out, and I don't really trust anyone when I'm out on the road, to be honest with you. Our first stop is going to be a Walmart because I need to go there and pick up some essential stuff for the next 2 weeks. I have some pretty cool stuff planned. We're going to be going all the way up to northern Minnesota. First part, we're going to be kind of in the Wisconsin region, just doing a lot of fishing and camping. So hopefully you guys will be along for the ride. Yeah, I hope to have you along, but we're going to swing by the old Walmart. I'll tell you what, I'm getting kind of hungry, so we're gonna go in the back of this Walmart parking lot and cook up some good old grilled cheese sandwiches. Oh, got a little burnt, but it'll work. Yeah, it's not that bad.
And he was like
Nothing will ever be better than just a good old-fashioned grilled cheese. Woo! But we still have about an hour drive until my end destination. But without further ado, let's get driving and let's get to our camp spot for the night. And I do believe that we rely on. Well, we got a boat launch parking lot. Always a go-to for me because, the only people that come here are fishermen, and they're not going to bother you. They're just going to concerned about catching fish, but without further ado, let's get into the bed of the camper and get some Z's. Okay, so turns out we're moving spots. Someone knows I'm here. They just drove by twice. So yeah, we're moving spots. Well, right here's the Mississippi River. Right now I'm just on the Minnesota border, but yeah, we have a fishing spot in the morning I want to try out now, and let's actually get some Z's now. Well, I'm going to bed. First night successful. I'll see you guys in the morning. Good old Mississippi River. Yeah, I think it's time to go do a little bit of fishing though. So, gonna move down yonder a little bit, get one of my fishing poles out, and see what we can do. I got something. I got a fish. Oh! Dude, I just had a fish and it broke me off. Whatever, I'm pretty sure that was a pike because, man, it felt like a snake on the end of my line. That was a nice sized pike, dude. Let's try that again. Well, I'm getting kind of hungry, so we're gonna prepare just a quick, simple egg sandwich. Well, not too bad of a breakfast. A little sloppy on my end, but I mean, I was flipping it with a spoon, so what do you expect? But without further ado, I think I'm gonna get driving again. One thing I do really want to prioritize on this trip is going to like mom and pop shops wherever I go, because you're gonna find some really cool stuff there. Buy some stuff from some small businesses and small towns in Minnesota, Wisconsin. Yeah. Explore until poor, but don't really go broke. Well, we have made it to my destination, and I've been here a time or two. This is actually where I filmed the 7 days cozy camping video, so I know a little bit about this kind of land, and we're gonna see if we can catch a fish. All right. Well, that was this spot's a bust. Well, no fish to be fickled of. I have nothing really planned for today. I don't really have anything planned for this trip. So if you guys have any recommendations for me, something to go see, yeah, I have like towns and stuff I want to go to, but I have nothing really planned. It's just fishing and cooking, camping. That's about it. Well, got a little bit of editing done for the video you're watching right now. And I actually gotta go make a bait delivery while I'm up here. So, gonna go do that real quick, and then I'll catch you guys after. Don't really know what we have planned for tonight, but this is where I'm gonna be staying. It's a boat ramp parking lot. Just, you know, something pretty nice. Drop the baits off, and this guy's from my hometown, so I know him, and he's gonna let me stay in his driveway tonight, so I don't have to go to that boat ramp I was talking about earlier. And he also gave me a few spots to go try out, and they're looking pretty dang good. So gonna head over there and do a little bit more fishing tonight. See if we can't get one or two. Whoa. Got a fish. Hey, first fish of the trip, a little smallmouth. What do you know? Oh. Got a fish. Seems pretty nice. What do I got? Oh. Okay. Oh, okay. Come here. Okay. I got the walleye, but my lure is snagged on something. That's a nice eater walleye. Let me call some guy real quick. He might want this. All right, well, we caught some dinner. Don't know where I'm gonna, I think I might just be able to put him right there. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a walleye.
Attaboy. I ended up giving him all three of my walleyes. I'm like, dude, just stay here for about 10 minutes. I'll fucking get you some more. It won't do it. Next cast, another walleye. And like 5 minutes later, got another one. So,
oh, yeah.
And the walleyes will come, believe it or not, the water will be shooting out of here straight down to it. And the walleyes will be coming right up here. Right back into this thing. Like, man, let's say the green is on the right side, okay? So when I throw it here, the green's gonna be out. So the fish are gonna be coming from out, you know, they're not gonna be coming off the shoot. Just let you know, dude. But if you get in that middle one, on that middle slab there, what?
Another baby smallie. Not shabby. Another baby smallmouth. Not too bad. At least we're catching some fish. Oh, I got one. I got a pike. Well, need to get this guy back in the water, but new species, a northern pike. Not too bad. Come on, swim off, buddy. There she goes.
Just the one?
Yep.
Give me the bag. That's fine. I'll clean him here so that it's this game.
So where do you want me to?
You can send the sink right now.
If you ever cut a finger off, now's the time to do it. Be on video?
Yep.
Good luck.
With a buy that Minnesota where the Rainy River comes down into the U.S. But yeah, there is a line where you can't fish it without.
Well, this is going to be campsite for the night. Nice enough to let me stay in his driveway. And he also made me some supper. Some squash and some sausage and onion. Pretty dang good. But yeah, nothing really eventful happened other than catching those fish. So I'll see you guys sometime tonight right before I go to bed. Man, this is just awesome. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Just like it was last night. Huge thanks to Jason for letting me stay in his driveway. Pretty nice of him. Also let me grab a quick shower, so really thankful for that because that's gonna become few and far between on this trip. But without further ado, I'm gonna see you guys in the morning. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Woo! Great people, man. Let me charge my power bank and stuff. Really nice of them to do that for me. But yeah, without further ado, I think I'm gonna go fish a little more this morning. But first, we're gonna go. I'm just gonna run into the convenience store real quick and buy a spatula and some essentials, and then we're gonna cook some breakfast. Man, really nice of them again. It's really nice. All right, change of plans. We're not gonna be fishing because there's like 10 people down in the spot, so I'll let them have the fish today. Yeah, we're kind of on a slant right now, so all the grease is like piling up at the end of this. So hopefully she doesn't leak out, because that'd be a god-awful mess. That right there, a dang good looking breakfast. So let's go ahead and dig in. Main objective for today is to go up north some more and kind of just finish out this video of the series. Post it tomorrow. I'm gonna try and do every 3 days or every 2 days. So expect that if you guys want to tune in for this little series of living on the road at 16. But day 1 and 2 have been pretty dang good so far. I think we need to go clean up the bed of the truck now. Make sure everything's nice and neat. Because one of the biggest things for living out of your vehicle is you just want to make sure everything is organized and you know where everything is, so it's not just a big mess.
Stay in the right 2 lanes.
Well, our next place we're stopping has a lot of stores there, so I think we should do a little bit of shopping around, try and get some, you know, stuff to bring back home with us, some stuff to remember this trip, and spend some money. So yeah, I've been here a time or two as well. I just know there's really cool stuff here, and I just like the whole northern vibe of, you know, like flannels, cabins, and just, you know what I'm talking about. Gonna go shop around.
Yeah.
What color?
Okay, so I'll grab them all down.
Well, got some souvenirs, and I need to go to like a convenience store and still get some essentials, so that's the next move. But yeah, this is kind of a mellow trip, you know, no rush for anything. Well, I'm on the move again. I didn't really want to stay there for the night. I just, you know, part of me really just didn't want to stay there anymore, you know. So I just want to move up north more. And tonight we're gonna be hopefully getting a lake view of a Lake Superior. Really big lake. But right now, just kind of driving, dumping some footage in my laptop, watching an idiot driver. Yeah, just a nice mellow day. Like I said, this trip is kind of just really laid back, and when I want to go do things, I'm going to go do things, and when I want to stay in limbo mode, I'll just stay there. So yeah, I'm going to continue driving up, and I'll see you guys when I'm at the spot. Well, just edited all the video. I found this beautiful pull off. I mean, we got all the trees out. Oh, This is why I love Minnesota and Wisconsin. Just like it's, especially right now in fall. I mean, just absolutely just gorgeous out. But you know what? I think I'm gonna cook a little bit of dinner and just enjoy this beautiful day. I mean, it is absolutely gorgeous out. Take care of the environment. Always pick up your trash. Just, we only have one of these places. From being an Iowa boy, I appreciate this stuff a lot more because, oh my God, it's so gorgeous. All you like Minnesota and Wisconsin natives are just gonna be like, what's this guy even talking about? It's just normal land. But I mean, it's just, I just love it so much up here. Just got some standard lean ground beef. Oh yeah, she is looking good, man. But man, that's looking good. So let's go ahead and enjoy this beautiful night. Dig on into some food. Save this for whenever I'm hungry next. Let's tidy this up a little bit. This is just absolutely This is what life is all about. At the end of the day, we're all just humans living on Earth. So, you know, get out there and experience different things. Don't sit in your bedroom on your phone all day, you know. I get it. You can be on it sometimes, but just don't make it your life. Like, absolutely just gorgeous out here. The fall colors starting to come in on the trees. And yeah, just absolutely gorgeous. And then a wild Toyota ton. But I'm packing up here and still about a 30-45 minute drive up north, and we should be on Lake Superior tonight. I looked at the forecast and it's supposed to be pretty windy, so woo! It's officially dark out, and I am probably on the scariest highway I've ever been on in my entire life. Like, I probably passed 3 cars, and I've been in the middle of nowhere this entire time. Yeah, nothing's probably gonna happen, but you know, like a flat tire or something that would happen out here, I'd be freaking out. You know, but a little bit outside of the comfort zone, and that's always good. That's good. Make sure you guys do that every once in a while. Destination, so I'm gonna just focus up and try and not hit a deer or something. Well, I get to the spot, and this is one thing I see. No overnight camping. And if they can't spell overnight right, probably don't want to risk it. So, I'm gonna look at my maps for a little bit, try and find something else. But I'm gonna try and get to a bigger city because I'm in like this little town on Superior. Yeah, Superior is like about 50 foot away from me right now, so let me do a little looking and I'll get it figured out. Well, after dingling around in the boondocks of northern Wisconsin, I'm going to be crossing the border into Minnesota tonight. I stayed up here one other time, and I know a good area and safe area to stay at, so I'm gonna go there instead of rolling the dice with any other spot, because honestly I'm really sketched out right now. There is just nothing over here, so I'm gonna get to a little bit more populated area and yeah, have a good time. A good time is meaning sleep and editing a video, so. Well, the shoes are kicked off for the night. As you can hear, it's pretty windy outside. But other than that, it's going to be a smooth sailing night, I'm pretty sure. So, going to put the cameras down for the night. I'm going to see you guys in the morning. Good night. It is a chilly October morning now. Not a bad sight to wake up to, but this is going to be the end of this video. Hopefully you guys want to tune into this little series I'm doing, but yeah, make sure you go check out my website, byronsbaits.com, to pick up some bumper stickers for some soft plastic lures. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.